If ChatGPT has been feeling slow, laggy, or just taking forever to respond, this video is going to help you fix it fast. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the most common reasons ChatGPT gets slow and the exact steps you can take to speed it back up. These fixes are simple, beginner-friendly, and in many cases, they solve the problem right away. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this one. Let's start with the most important fix first, your internet connection. A slow connection can make ChatGPT feel much slower than it actually is. Refresh the page and see if the response improves. Open another website and check whether that loads normally too. If everything feels sluggish, restart your Wi-Fi or reconnect to your network. Sometimes the issue is not ChatGPT at all, but just a weak or unstable connection. And remember this simple rule: slow internet equals slow responses. Next, start a new chat. Over time, long conversations can slow things down because the chat history gets bigger and more complex. If your current chat has a lot of messages, click New Chat and ask your question again in a fresh conversation. This often improves speed right away because ChatGPT doesn't have to process as much context. Large chat history affects speed, so starting over can make a big difference. Now let's clear your browser cache. Cached files and cookies can sometimes cause loading issues, delays, or weird performance problems. Go into your browser settings, then open Privacy or Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cached images and files, and if needed, cookies as well. After clearing them, restart your browser completely and open ChatGPT again. This refreshes the session and removes old data that may be slowing things down. If that still doesn't fix it, try ChatGPT in Incognito Mode. Incognito Mode is useful because it disables most extensions and avoids using some stored cached sessions. That means if an extension or browser add-on is causing the slowdown, you can quickly find out by testing in a private window. Open a new incognito or private browsing window, sign in again if needed, and test ChatGPT there. If it feels faster in incognito, one of your extensions or browser settings may be the problem. Another easy fix is to close extra tabs. Too many open tabs can use up memory and make your entire browser slower, especially if you have other heavy websites open at the same time. Close any tabs you are not using, then restart your browser to free up resources. This can help ChatGPT respond more smoothly, especially on older laptops or devices with limited RAM. Finally, check ChatGPT status. Sometimes the issue is not on your device at all. If OpenAI servers are busy or experiencing delays, responses can slow down for everyone. Open status.openai.com and see if there are any reported issues or outages. If the servers are having problems, the best fix is often just to wait a little while and try again later. So to quickly recap, check your internet, start a new chat, clear your browser cache, try incognito mode, close extra tabs, and check the ChatGPT status page. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the slow response issue and get things running much better. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more ChatGPT troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.